This is what happens when you're really cooking. You can't burn stuff while you're trying to do your outro. All right, so we are going to make my favorite chicken sandwich. This is a grilled chicken sandwich for the chicken. What I did is I took a chicken breast and I did cut it a little bit because sometimes chicken breast is enormous and you don't want a whole huge sandwich. So I did kind of butterfly that so that it was all kind of an even size. And then I cut them into like the bun size. And then I marinated it in the same marinade that I use for the fajitas. That's 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Put that in there for about 30 minutes to an hour, drain the marinade, and then we're gonna grill it, but we're gonna grill it in the air fryer today. So I'm gonna pop that into the air fryer and then we're gonna assemble this crazy sandwich. So the thing with this chicken sandwich, the base is it's on a brioche bun. We made some honey mustard. Check out that video too. Just some simple 3-ingredient honey mustard that we made here at home. We grilled up some zucchini. I like to have grilled zucchini on it. You can put any vegetables you want on it or no vegetables at all if that's what you like. I do like grilled zucchini on it. The inspiration for this sandwich actually had tomato, not zucchini. But check out our grilled vegetable video too, because I show you all the marinades and the different vegetables that you can cook on the grill that are fantastic on sandwiches and things like that. It's gonna have some Swiss cheese, some bacon that we also pre-cooked on a nice brioche bun, so it's nice layers. Definitely one of those things that, again, it's my favorite sandwich. We eat this regularly. I have the air fryer set to grill on high. If I was cooking this on the grill, I'm gonna want the grill on high. You do have to oil it down ahead of time so that it doesn't stick. But I really wanna cook it kind of skin side down first, even though it's skinless. There's still a layer there where you can see what the skin was, right? So you cook it skin side down. I cut these into 1/2 inch thickness, so they're pretty even. So I really only want to go 3 or 4 minutes per side on high heat. But you definitely want to cook chicken all the way through. Chicken is not a medium rare meat, right? Have it cooked all the way through in order to kill all the foodborne bacteria. The way to do that is just kind of look at it and see as soon as on one side, you can see on that uncooked side, when it starts, it's kind of like cooking an egg, right? When the white part starts to rise up, you can see all of that, where it starts to get that translucent raw look. You flip it over and then you cook it for the same amount of time. It kind of surprised me in the past with how quickly it cooks things, so I'm gonna check it in about 3 minutes and we're gonna go from there. And I'll show you an easy way to check to see if it's cooked too without cutting it all open. See how it breaks? It's cooked. To that, we're gonna add some bacon on each slice. Add some Swiss. And then we're gonna just throw it in the oven. You could probably do this in the air fryer too, but I'm gonna toss it in the oven. Preheated it. We're only gonna leave it in there to melt the cheese. That's all we need to do. The bacon's already fully cooked. The chicken's already fully cooked. We just want that cheese melted. All right, so while that is in there melting, we're gonna take this honey mustard that we made earlier. We're gonna put that on either side. Some grilled zucchini. Just throw that on there. This is what happens when you're really cooking. You can't burn stuff while you're trying to do your outro. All right, homemade chicken sandwich, nice toasted brioche bun, honey mustard, homemade honey mustard, some grilled zucchini. We've got some bacon on there, Swiss cheese, and it is absolutely one of my favorite chicken sandwiches of all time. Hope you like it. Definitely try it out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, juicy that chicken is. It's delicious.